Hello friends, and welcome to my kitchen. We begin with breaking 4 large eggs into a bowl. Today, we're making a delightful and satisfying casserole that's sure to warm the hearts of everyone at your table. Then, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now, whisk the eggs until they're smooth and well combined. Friends, please write in the comments, what country and city are you from? It's very nice to know that we can communicate all over the world. Once that's done, add 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. And half a teaspoon of oregano. If you have any questions about the recipe, write to me and I will answer as soon as I see it in the comments. Whisk everything together once more, creating a rich and creamy mixture. We'll set this aside for now. Next, take 4 to 5 medium potatoes and cut them into even cubes, just like you see here. Friends, I'd be happy if you could give this video a like, as it's the best reward from you. Now, pour some olive oil into a frying pan, enough to lightly coat the bottom. And add the potatoes. Fry them until a beautiful golden crust forms. This will give our casserole a wonderful texture. While the potatoes are frying, let's prepare the zucchini. Cut 1 zucchini into cubes, just like we did with the potatoes. Friends, if you enjoy my content, subscribe to the channel to receive notifications about new similar recipes. Once the potatoes have that nice crust, toss in the zucchini. Give everything a good stir, making sure the zucchini mixes in well with the potatoes. add half a teaspoon of salt. Stir again and let it fry together for about 3 to 5 minutes before removing it from the heat. Now, transfer the potatoes and zucchini into a large mixing bowl. In the same pan, add a little more olive oil. Next up, we add a bit of spice to our dish with some chorizo sausages. Take 4 of them and slice them into circles. We're going to fry these next and toss in the chorizo slices. Let them sizzle and release their flavors into the pan. While the chorizo is cooking, slice 6 smoked Polish sausages into circles as well. Once the chorizo is starting to brown, add the Polish sausages to the pan and mix them together, letting them fry for a few minutes. Now it's time to add some vegetables. First, slice 1 leek into circles. And add it to the sausages in the pan. Next, slice 1 carrot into circles as well. and also toss it in. These will add a subtle sweetness and a lovely color to our casserole. Finally, take 7 ounces or 200 grams of mushrooms. Slice them as shown in the video. And add them to the pan. Let everything cook together for another 5 to 10 minutes until the vegetables are tender and the flavors have melted beautifully. Then remove the pan from the heat. Now it's time to combine everything. Transfer the sausage and vegetable mixture into the bowl with the potatoes and zucchini. Pour the egg and sour cream mixture over the top. And to gently mix everything together until well combined. We're almost ready to bake. Take a springform baking dish and line it with parchment paper. Then lightly brush it with olive oil. This will help our casserole release easily from the pan. Pour the entire mixture into the dish, spreading it out evenly. Next, we add a layer of delicious cheese. Grate 8 ounces or 250 grams of Dutch hard cheese. Sprinkle it generously over the top of the casserole. This will melt beautifully and create a golden bubbly crust. For a fresh burst of flavor, cut some cherry tomatoes in half. and place them on top of the cheese. Finally, add a few mozzarella cheese balls to finish off our casserole. Now, place the casserole in an oven preheated to 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Bake for 20 to 30 minutes until the top is golden and the cheese is melted to perfection. As a finishing touch, finely chop one small bunch of parsley. And there you have it. Our wonderful casserole is ready to enjoy. Sprinkle the casserole with finely chopped parsley. The aroma is simply irresistible, and the flavors are even better. I hope you enjoy this dish as much as I do. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. If you liked this recipe, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know how it turned out for you in the comments. I always love hearing from you. Until next time, happy cooking.